Palisade Fencing is an extremely strong steel fencing solution. It's aesthetically pleasing and it provides an unobstructed view. And it can be used to secure perimeters, set boundaries, control access, and protect assets, making it a diverse solution for different security needs. And Palisade Fencing is relatively quick and easy to install. This fencing requires minimal maintenance, but one has to do regular inspections to check for damage and occasional cleaning to remove dirt and debris. But most importantly, addressing any rust spots promptly to keep the fencing in a good condition. So let's see how we go about painting a palisade fence. In this case, it has been painted and we are just going to give it a maintenance coat. But a few things have to be addressed, as I've said earlier. So in terms of the preparation of this pre-painted fencing, a good sand with at least 80 grit sandpaper and a wire brush. We battle to get into corners, grooves. The wire brush is amazing for prep. So, other than that wire brush and that sandpaper, you need your primer to treat your rust. You need your top coat and you need to apply them. And we're applying them using Hamilton's utility paintbrush and the mock mohair roller. Hamilton's mock mohair roller is used for solvent and water-based enamel paints on smooth surfaces, and it's a great choice to use when painting palisade fencing. Especially if it's quite a large area of fencing you're doing. The roller is very economically priced and it's available in 50, 100, 150 and 225mm refills and complete rollers. Hamilton's utility brush is not only affordable like the mock mohair roller, but it's a great brush, durable and has a blended medium length bristle, ensuring a consistent quality finish. And this brush can be used to apply chalk paints, solvent and water-based paints, as well as wood treatments. So after your good 80 grit sand and your wire brushing and you've primed all your rusted spots with 2 coats, please, 4 hours between the coats, and then leave it overnight before painting. Now all these areas have been treated and preparation is good. We are now ready to paint with our top coat. In terms of top coats for fencing, people are even using a roof paint these days because it's hard wearing. So with a decent underlying primer, you can definitely apply a roof paint or a water-based enamel or even a solvent-based enamel. But always 2 coats and a day between the coats. And you'll find application very quick and simple with the Hamilton's mock mohair roller. It's economical. The job goes a lot quicker. So preparation, the right tools, you're definitely going to get the perfect finish. Morning, guys. Anyone help me paint here? So to get that perfect finish, don't ask joggers in the morning to assist you with your project. Rather get your Hamilton's mock mohair, your utility brush, do your prep correctly and you'll get the perfect finish. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video.